Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to edit charts on Telegram. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Telegram app. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my Telegram. Just like so. After you open up your Telegram, next thing you need to do is to choose a contact that you want to use. Let's, for instance, I want to simply make use of I want to make use of this particular contact right here. So I will simply click on it and I will make a type. You're doing. So I will send the message. Now, this message here was not correct, or better still, you want to edit whatever you send. So you can simply click and hold down. And then when you click and hold down, then the next thing you need to do is to click on this pencil icon right here. Then it presents you to edit message. Then you can cancel the error message you send and type in correct message you want to send. So we can simply say, how are you doing today? Then we can simply click on here and the message will be fully edited, just like what you see right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to edit charts on Telegram. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.